Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make bhajias, maru bhajias. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So for this recipe you'll need some potatoes. Peel your potatoes, wash them well, then I'm going to slice them as shown in this video. Make sure your slices are not thin and are not thick. They should be moderate. After cutting the potatoes, they should be as shown in this video. So you're going to put them aside. So in a separate bowl, you're going to add half cup of wheat flour. Then you're going to add some salt to taste. After that, you're going to add some pinch of food coloring, yellow food coloring. Then you're going to add some coriander leaves. I've used 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Then you're going to add some water. Put your water gradually. It was about 1 cup of water. Then you're going to mix to make a paste. Your flour paste will be as shown in this video, nice consistency as shown. Then you're going to add in your sliced potatoes. Then you're going to mix them well before frying them. In a hot oil, you're going to fry in your bhajias. You're going to dip them one by one and fry them until they are crispy on the outside. When they are ready, you're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside ready to be served. As you can see, your bhajias turned out so well. They look so delicious. And please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can do their own bhajias at home. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.